Hi, learn Japanese, water breathing, explain. にのかた、水車. So, we are going to learn the name of water breathing technique. Today is we are focusing on にのかた、水車. So, this name of water breathing technique appears in episode 4, and Tanjiro needed to face this demon. This is にのかた、水車. にのかた、水車. So, first, I'm going to explain this part. This kanji, we say に and it means to. And no is linking particle にのkata means shape, and sometimes we say kata, karate no kata. Karate is Japanese martial art or judo no kata. Then, this part. 水車 water wheel. This kanji means water. This kanji means wheel or car. But when we pronounce the kanji one by one, we say this one Chinese character kanji, we say mizu. And this kanji, we say kuruma. Kuruma. But this kuruma also means car. However, when these two kanji get together like this, we called mizu guruma. So this first part of second kanji, second Chinese character, it gets voiced. This is because it's easier to pronounce for us. Mizu plus kuruma is mizuguruma. So this mizu, this kanji is joyo kanji. This is kanji for common use. And how to read kanji, we have two ways to pronounce. One is onyomi. This is based on the way of reading in Chinese. And this kanji, onyomi, we read sui. Sui. Kunyomi. This is Japanese original reading. And we say mizu. Mizu. So, let's write this kanji. Mizu. 1 2 3 4 水. Next kanji is 車. Onyomi, we called 車. Kunyomi, we read 車. Let's write 車. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 車. So, in Demon Slayer, the name of breathing technique, they say 水車. 水車. This is kunyomi, Japanese original way of reading. However, this is also okay. 水車. This is onyomi, which is base of the way of reading in Chinese. And we imagine when I hear 水車, I can imagine this. And this part is 水車. Thank you for watching. 見てくれて ありがとう。Have a lovely day today.